Okay, now at this point we have the foundations for our manuscript in place, but we're still quite a long way away from having a professional manuscript of even a basic standard. So why is that? Well, we're lacking elements of structure and white space that need to be dealt with to present the reader with what they expect from a traditional book. So we need to first of all work on the main text block on the page. At the moment we've still got the ragged right margin. We need to look at justification, and these lines are a little bit close together, so we need to look at deciding on the space between lines and around the different text elements, and that is called leading. We're missing everything between the title page and chapter 1 that you would expect to see at the front of the book, which is called the front matter. So we're going to take a look at putting in your copyright details, possibly dedication acknowledgements and contents pages. We're also missing anything that would expect at the end of the book, so about the author pages, colophons, perhaps links to other books, samples of other books, anything that you would expect to put at the end in the back matter. We're also missing headers and footers, which if we scroll down onto the next couple of pages you can see we don't have the running headers. Most importantly, in terms of navigation for the reader, we don't have page numbers. So even if we had a contents table in at this point, it wouldn't help anybody. So those are the issues we're going to address during this section, and we're going to take the foundations of your manuscript into what would be a basic professional manuscript in this section, before in the next section looking at fine-tuning.